Hi, in this life hack, we'll show you a quick trick to speed up the switch between video feeds using the SRT main backup bonding mechanism. If you're not familiar with main backup, here's a brief explanation. You send multiple streams to one SRT server, but only one of them is transmitted to viewers. The others remain on standby. In case the main stream fails, a backup stream automatically takes over, ensuring continuous video for viewers. Here, as you can see, I have two SRT servers that will receive the main stream and the backup stream. These are standard SRT servers, no special settings. Now we're going to add a third server and set up bonding. Name your server. Specify publisher and receiver ports. Then scroll down and unfold routing settings. Select the SRT cluster. For routing mode, select Pull. We're going to be pulling both of our streams, the main one and the backup. Now all we need to do is to specify our sources or hosts. Specify IP address. Then specify receiver port and type the name of your SRT server. Now click the Add SRT Host button and make the same steps to add your second SRT server. If you have more backup sources, add them the same way. Okay, now unfold Allowed Streams. Click the Add New Stream button and select the new role Puller. This setting is important, as without it, our bonding server will not be able to pull the streams from our hosts. Click Save. So these were the standard SRT main backup settings. Now let's talk about the life hack part. In Callaba, there is a special setting that defines the timeout the system will wait for the stream to continue before disconnecting. This also applies in the switching scenario. If the main stream fails, the system waits for the defined timeout before switching to the backup stream. By adjusting this setting, you can control how quickly the system switches to the backup stream when the main one stops. Let's go back to the Bonding SRT server we just created. To ensure a quick switch in the event the main stream breaks off, adjust the Stream Inactivity Timeout setting. Set this value short enough to trigger a prompt switch, but long enough to avoid frequent false positives. A value between 5 and 10 seconds usually works well. Now, you can start both of your streams and test the switching by stopping your main stream. Let's observe how the switch occurs. This concludes this life hack. Try Callaba on AWS for free. It takes just a few minutes to launch, and you get a 5-day free trial. Enjoy 100 gigabytes of free data transfer in EC2 and 1 terabyte of free data transfer for CloudFront.